Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best charcoal grill for outdoor enthusiasts, the Odoland Campfire Grill. If you're looking for a reliable, portable, and foldable charcoal grill that stands up to real-world camping, backyard BBQs, and bonfires, this one is worth your attention. Let's get started by unpacking what makes this grill stand out in a crowded field of outdoor cooking gear. The first thing you'll notice about the Odoland grill is its solid, compact design. It folds down neatly and fits into a dedicated carrying case, which is included in the package. That portability is key if you're hiking to a remote campsite or heading to a beach picnic. You won't be burdened by heavy or awkward gear. Now, in terms of size, the version we're reviewing today measures 15.75 inches by 11.81 inches and stands 8.27 inches tall. That gives you a generous grilling surface while keeping the footprint compact. There's also a slightly smaller variant if you need something even more packable. The weight is around 4.27 kilograms, which strikes a nice balance between sturdiness and portability. The material is heavy-duty iron with a black powder-coated finish. This not only gives it a rugged aesthetic but also helps resist high temperatures and rust. Plus, the included grill rack is made of 304 stainless steel, a food-grade material that's durable, easy to clean, and perfect for direct cooking or placing pots and pans for more complex meals. One of the coolest features is its dual functionality. This isn't just a grill, it doubles as a wood-burning stove. That means you can use either charcoal or wood as fuel, giving you flexibility depending on what's available at your campsite. You can boil water, simmer soups, or grill skewers all in one unit. Assembly is another area where this product shines. There's no complicated setup, the manual is straightforward, and you can have this grill fully assembled in just a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a beginner, you won't be frustrated trying to figure this thing out. And let's not overlook its safety features. The grill can also act as a fire screen, helping to prevent sparks and debris from flying out during breezy evenings. That's a big plus if you're setting it up in a backyard or near tents. Design-wise, the Odoland grill is sleek but purposeful. It blends in with modern camping setups while maintaining the rugged feel that outdoor gear should have. It's ideal for garden cookouts, patio bonfires, or even a small rooftop gathering. If you're someone who loves being outdoors, values packability, and wants gear that doesn't compromise on durability or cooking space, the Odoland Campfire Grill ticks all the boxes. It's easy to carry, fast to set up, and versatile enough to cook nearly anything. That wraps up today's product critique. If you're ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level, this might be your new favorite grill. Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth gear breakdowns and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.